Wish that I was right beside you. I hope I'm on your mind. And oh, I'm missing you. Like snow in winter, it thaws out in the sun. Don't you worry, from the darkness a new day always comes. And
So I just moved all the gasoline out because gasoline gives off a lot of vapors, and I'm getting ready to be grinding and welding, throwing a lot of sparks, and I don't want to go boom. And it cracks me up every time something like this happens. About 3 or 4 years ago, I posted what is my most popular video on YouTube. I think it's got 7 million views or so. It's of me burning a stump of all things, and I'm using kerosene. And I get comments to this day saying, you know, this idiot's going to blow himself up. This idiot is, you know, lucky he's alive. Everything like that. And it just amazes me, the people that they don't know the difference between kerosene, diesel, gasoline, and that. And I understand that when somebody doesn't know, you want to just give them general terms like don't have fuel near a flame. They don't understand the difference, the flash points. You know, that kerosene has a flash point well over 100 degrees, where gasoline, I think it's either negative teens or negative 40, somewhere around there, that it'll still flash and explode. And so it's that knowledge that people don't have, then they'll just jump on and criticize somebody that does have the knowledge. But it just, I don't know, I guess that's my rant for the day. It just cracks me up every time I think about it, that the people that comment thinking I'm going to kill myself with kerosene. I have seen a guy take a lit cigarette and flick it into a bucket of kerosene, and it extinguished the flame. So it's just completely different animals. So what I want to get done tonight is I want to get these hooks welded onto the bucket. I'm going to put 4 of them across the top. Now, my welder might be a little light in the loafers for these, but I think I can make 2 or 3 passes and get it done. We'll see. I'll be very careful to inspect them tomorrow as I'm using them. But this will just make it so much easier to attach the logs to the bucket. You know, using a chain around the bucket or trying to hook back onto the the support brackets back there just doesn't work well. So I'm going to grind some clean surfaces out in there and see what we can make happen. welded on. The chainsaw's running. Check, we good to go.
You see what I've been telling you. It's nothing like it seems. It's what I've been telling you. Oh, you'd learn what I mean if you came. But the risk, are you willing to take?
Figured I'd do an oil change real quick on the tractor for tomorrow. We're going to be working it hard tomorrow. After I get the tree down you can, but not until after the tree's down. You got to stay inside till then.
Is it timber or timber? I thought it was timber. Should be cool. Do you know a way to find out?
Want to know what?
A way to find out if it's full?
Yeah. I got a dipstick to check it. I'm gonna let it sit there and let all the oil drop down. Make sure.
You use that too?
I use this just to put a little bit of oil on the oil filter. And the oil filter has a little rubber gasket. And I was always taught, stick your finger in the oil and put a little bit of oil on that gasket.
This wheel actually doesn't make as much black stuff.
If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like that video, hit the thumbs down, but tell me why so I can try to make them better. If you're not already a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Until next time, thanks for watching.